Hey, what's up? If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Hannah and I'm a photographer and video creator. And this week I wanted to take you out on trail with me to share my 4 favorite camera accessories. First up, we have the Peak Design camera clip. I've used this for over 4 years now, and this plate here on the bottom of my camera goes to the clip that is on my backpack strap. So having it here instead of in my backpack allows me to be so opportunistic and take any photo I want at any given time. The other thing that's awesome is that this plate also attaches to the Peak Design tripod, which I have in my backpack, and we'll get to that later. But whether I'm handheld or if I'm putting it on a tripod, this clip is on my camera every single day, every single shoot, wherever I am in the world. And this is a great example of why I love this system, because I see a shot, I don't have to go in my backpack, I've got my camera right here. All I have to do is take the photo. Oh, wow. This is the carbon fiber Peak Design travel tripod. Tripods often get overlooked, but this is incredible. It is so lightweight. They do make an aluminum version. It's a bit heavier, so the carbon version is truly one of my best friends. I know I can set this up and walk away from it and my camera is totally safe. It's so sturdy even though it is lightweight. And the ball head allows for a lot of flexibility when we're talking compositions. And remember that clip I mentioned is actually attached to a rig called the horizontal to vertical small rig swivel mount. It's a lot of words, but basically all you need to know is that this allows me to change my composition of my photo really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach that Peak Design clip here to the tripod. I'm gonna lock it. I'm going to unlock the mount, and you can see how easy this is. So it holds my center point exactly where I wanted it to be, but allows me to switch to vertical composition rather than horizontal. I find myself in a lot of situations these days where I'm trying to shoot between both horizontal and vertical, and I don't always have time to change the ball head, and then it changes the composition. So this is so easy to just go ahead and unlock, switch back to horizontal, and I'm good to go. Now that we've got everything set up, I wanted to show you the last piece of this puzzle, which is this variable ND by Prism FX. And if you can't hear it, I'm about to photograph a waterfall. And having this variable ND is going to allow me to open up my shutter so that I can get that really slow motion effect on my image while still properly exposing the image. If you're a visual learner like myself, I figured I would just show you how it all works together. So I've exposed my image in the way that I think is going to work best, and I opened up my shutter so that I'm gonna get that slow motion effect on the waterfall while still having some other stuff in focus as well. Now this variable ND is gonna allow me to darken that image so that it's properly exposed. there you have it. Oh, those are my favorite accessories that I'm currently using in my kit. I would love to know in the comments what yours are, so let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.